Carbon monoxide and other harmful pollutants emitted by automobile emissions have already contaminated the Earth as we know it. However, since Tesla automobiles entered the league of creating and producing electric cars, the world's future has a ray of hope. With low to zero emissions, electric automobiles represent the future of a healthier mode of transport. Since then, after the firm was introduced in 2003, it's continued to release new automobile models. After successfully entering and dominating the electric vehicle market with models ranging from SUVs to sedans and supercars, Tesla has added the Model B to its inventory. But what's this model bringing to the table? Well, stay tuned. Hello guys, and welcome back to Tech Elon Musk, where we discuss Elon Musk news, Tesla news, SpaceX news, and much more news about Elon Musk. In today's video, we'll look at the new Tesla ebike. But first, leave a like and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on new videos. Electric cars are the way of the future, since they're quiet, environmentally friendly, dependable, and are less expensive to maintain. They're also quite contemporary. Tesla electric cars are particularly impressive since they're class leaders, boasting some of the finest ranges and performance. The automobile is excessive for other journeys, and something more portable might do. Sometimes it's simply not worth it to get your car on the road. However, a bicycle might be used for these occasions. Why bring out the huge Tesla Model S currently charging in the carport, or your adolescent who can't drive yet, if you're going down the block alone and you want to explore the neighborhood? The applications for a bike are numerous, and if you like to ride a Tesla branded electric bicycle, you're in luck since your favorite firm has announced the release of one. Tesla isn't the first automaker to produce an electric motorcycle. Ducati, Harley-Davidson also do so. Even BMW has one, and Mercedes are not averse to making one. Electric bikes are an intriguing concept since they try to improve on something that's been around for decades. They're not to be mistaken with electric motorbikes since you still have to pedal, but you don't have to exert as too much force. You can travel harsher terrains more easily with electric motors. Mountain bikes may be made out of electric bicycles. A slew of electric bicycle businesses vying for market share with various models, from high-end versions that cost a lot of money to low-cost ones that will get you to your destination without all the thrills. Some conventional bicycle manufacturers are also attempting to join the battery-powered bicycle trend. On the other hand, Tesla is the only business that can produce an amazing electric bike. The electric vehicle manufacturer has a strong design team and can even recruit from inside the industry. It might purchase an existing electric bike industry and have Musk transform it into anything he wants. But why would Tesla want to make an electric bike? Its goal is to help mankind move to zero-emission mobility from internal combustion engines with all its pollution. Bicycles don't produce carbon emissions to start with. However, there is something about Musk, a principle that runs through how he operates all his companies. Musk wants things to be done as quickly and cheaply as feasible. Their philosophy is evident in the way he tackles issue solving. If Musk believes that riding an electric bike is more efficient and cost-effective than driving an electric automobile, he'll make the switch. Musk will undoubtedly be convinced to do so. If it's already the case that riding an electric bike over short distance is much less costly than driving an electric automobile, Tesla would build an electric bike for various reasons, including the fact that the company likes designing accessories for its cars. Considering the ATV that accompanied the Cybertruck when it was unveiled, the Tesla ebike Model B will appeal to electric car consumers who favor an active lifestyle and like riding on nature cycling paths. Tesla has pledged to make the ATV accessible for purchase with the Cybertruck as an accessory. By traveling to remote biking routes and jumping on their bikes, it may make for a fascinating weekend escape. In any case, Musk intimated a few years ago that Tesla would develop an electric bicycle. So, how does the Tesla electric bicycle look? Obviously, the bike is here to serve some good looks. The bicycle's name is Tesla ebike Model B, consistent with how Tesla calls their cars. The Tesla ebike Model B, like any other product you'd expect from Tesla, is a stylish machine that attracts attention everywhere it travels. It deviates from the standard in terms of bicycle design. It isn't quite as divisive as the Cybertruck design. The Tesla e-bike Model B is primarily white, similar to the basic model of Tesla automobiles, until the midnight silver metallic finish was added. By the way, now that this color choice is available for Tesla automobiles, the Tesla e-bike Model B could receive it as well, which would be awesome. Other manufacturers' electric bikes often seem to be haphazardly put together with all the wires visible. The end product is an aesthetically appealing bicycle with several accolades and spawns a slew of imitators. The way you maneuver the Tesla e-bike Model B electric bicycle is one of the most critical aspects. If you look at the bike's handlebars and believe they're for steering, well, you are correct. You could be incorrect about how all other bikes, electric or not, manage steering. It's as simple as turning the handlebars in the direction you want to travel. The handlebars of the Tesla e-bike Model B, on the other hand, are entirely stiff and do not turn. This indicates that the front tire is unaffected by the movement or lack thereof of the handlebar. By applying pressure to the handlebar, you may turn in any direction. That is, the more pressure you apply to the side you want to turn to, the more to the side you turn. Tesla radically redesigned the handlebar, and although you may need to relearn it, it isn't that difficult if you think about it. Because there's no physical link between steering wheel or yoke and the front tires, this is comparable to how the future Toyota BZ4X will steer. Soon, you'll realize why the front wheel must be autonomous to some extent. Other features on the Tesla e-bike Model B make it and the rides it provides safer on the road. For example, the bicycle, like Tesla automobiles, has autopilot, which enables it to take over control for you at times. It was said to contain side-facing, rear-facing, and forward-facing radar cameras, as well as ultrasonic sensors to detect other bikes, automobiles, potholes, bumps, and other things. However, Tesla now using cameras in all of its vehicles, including autopilot. The Tesla e-bike Model B may also be removing radar too. Now, if required, the Tesla e-bike Model B will take control and steer itself, which is why Tesla engineered the handlebars to be sturdy and not spin the front wheel directly. It would be difficult or impossible for the bike to control if you could turn the whole front wheel directly. The handlebars are also cool, since they only fold out when you need them. So, you can tuck them in when you park or store your bike, and the same goes for the footrests. The Tesla e-bike Model B will now have enough power to handle even uphill terrain without you having to pedal as much, thanks to an electric motor positioned on the hub. There's no reason to think the Tesla e-bike Model B will have a low range now that Tesla has a new, much superior battery in the 4680. The new battery is lighter, but has a higher energy density, ideal for the Tesla e-bike Model B bicycle. It will also last longer and keep the majority of its capacity. Tesla, being a hub of innovation, has always included regenerative braking in the Tesla e-bike Model B, which allows you to recharge the battery while riding around town. Tesla has installed GPS monitoring on the Tesla e-bike Model B to avoid theft. Because this bike will sometimes be carried in Tesla automobiles, it must fit into the trunk or have rear seats folded down. The Tesla e-bike Model B is foldable, which greatly reduces the room it takes up. So being a Tesla fan already, would you consider ever owning a Tesla bike, the Model B? What do you like most about the bike? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on updates from Elon Musk. Thank you for watching and see you next time.